Kunal, the charts are saying something else. I mean, the FI net longs from the highest shorts in about 14 years, and I guess that was pretty evident. I mean, leave that last half hour of profit taking, but you've been talking about this.
Absolutely, and I think the number had to change because I think it was an extreme amount of number in terms of short positions, and that generally skews the market tilt to the market towards a larger degree. And now I think what we've seen is, so I think the interesting part of the data is not just the unwinding of short positions on the index futures, but the unwinding in terms of individual stocks. And that's why all of a sudden over the last, say 1 week or so, you've seen so many underperforming large cap names making a very strong comeback, the likes of HDFC Bank, for example, making a comeback. Reliance, which was more or less into a trading range of 200 points, that is coming very close towards a breakout about 2900 mark. L&T, which was an underperformer from the cap goods space over the last 2 months specifically, that stock has made a comeback from 3400 to now 3600 plus mark. So I think you've seen so many of the other underperforming large cap names making a comeback for themselves. That's purely because of the way short covering has piled up into these stocks. Now we could see probably, and hopefully if post the election results, if there is a start of a case of a positive sentiment into these names, and if we see a case of long built up, that could really determine the start of a fresh trend for many of these large cap names. So as of now, it's a wave of short covering across many large cap names. It's a process of 1 to 2 weeks at least from a short term perspective. But once that stabilizes, and if we see a long built up formation, then we could be looking at much more bigger uptrend for many of these large cap stocks.
Okay, let's get and see Rudramurthy as well, who's joining in. And Rudra, morning. Let's get in your take then on the overall markets. Yes, the FI selling has eased. We are looking at an FII net long from the highest shorts in the last 14 years. How are you looking at the overall trade setup in light of the fact that we're also in expiry week and it's the election outcome?
Yeah, very good morning and thanks for having me. First of all, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, in spite of whatever half an hour selling what we saw yesterday at the close, I am very bullish on this market even at current level. Yes, the risk reward was much favorable when it was at around 21,900, 22,000, where I was calling this market as a clear buy. From there, we have already seen about 1,200 point kind of a move on Nifty, and Bank Nifty yesterday made that attempt towards 49,800 to 50,000 zone in futures. So I feel definitely dip has to be used as buying opportunity. The trend is up. Till it reverses, do not call for a reversal of trend, and it is our duty as a technical analyst to go through the trend and continue being on the long side. Every dip is a buying opportunity. I see 23,500 to come on Nifty, and also on Bank Nifty 50,000 plus levels to come, and use every dip in this market to buy till the trend reverses. No shorting whatsoever in this market. Buy every dip.
One quick follow-up, since we are on that subject, Rudra, you are from Karnataka, Bangalore. You must have gone to poll as well. Today, JM Financial this morning has come out with a note saying there could be 2 swing states, Mumbai and Karnataka. Give your take on Karnataka. Was there a groundswell?
Yeah, Ajay, I'm not a political expert, but still on the ground reality, what I can tell you is people are looking for good numbers for BJP. Might be between 18 to 20 seats is what we are looking for. But I feel overall NDA will make up to 340 to 350, and BJP should make up that 310 alone. So I'm very bullish, but only thing is valuations are a bit expensive. Market has not discounted this number of 300, 310 to BJP and 350 to NDA. I'm very positive on market even post the exit poll as well as the real numbers on 4th. However, till budget we might continue on the long side, but I'm not so confident closer to budget, and you have to be very stock specific. And because volatility is very high closer to these event, one has to be very, very clear in terms of position sizing and leverage, especially if you're a short-term trader.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.